let's do a challenge box, mystery box video. So let's see which one Vicky prefer. Christine, open your box.
Whoa!
Oh no! Vanessa, open your box. You can have some. Oh my, that's huge.
Here you go. I can share with you, Vicky.
So, Christine win. Vicky choose Christine box.
That's yummy. Yeah. Thank you, Mommy.
What? You ready, guys?
Yep.
Open the second challenge. Let's see who is winning. Oh, Vicky, choose again, Christine. Vicky, Vanessa have to win sometimes. Oh.
Wow.
Vicky, get down.
Okay.
The girls decide to switch.
Tastes like blueberry. It's also hard to eat. Look at I'm playing video games.
Challenge. Let's see who is winning. Vicky, are you ready to choose which one is the winner?
What? We got the same.
Oh, you guys are equal this
Yay,
time.
Daddy!
But Vicky choose Vanessa. Vanessa win. And Christine win. They both are winners.
What one, Vicky? Can she have one?
No, no. It's not good for her.
Actually, I'm a winner. Open it up. Actually, I'm the winner.
Vicky down.
That's fine.
No. Vicky, you have to choose one.
It's chocolate, girl.
I can open it.
Hi,
No, not chocolate for dogs. Shoo, Vicky. So, Vicky choose Christine again. Vicky, you cannot choose just Christine. All right. Open the boxes.
Puppet!
Oh, that's a nice joint.
I win that too!
You win that too.
Vicky, which one is the winner?
Vicky, you have to choose the winner.
Oh, mine is chocolate.
No, it's not. All right.
Little thing, and I got the flower, I got the heart. She got the, I don't know what it's called, and she got the unicorn. She also got the big thing. That's all she got. And I got 1, 2, 3. She got 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you can make challenge. See which one is doing better.
Challenge. Vanessa's favorite. I think I'm gonna do this.
Katie's clapping. Clap, clap, clap.
I win. I finished and she didn't.
No, you didn't finish. Oh, you finished the heart.
Yeah, I'm winner.
You're the
No,
winner.
she's not. She's just playing. I know. What happened? It's my hair.
It's right there. You thought you lost your hair clip. But you didn't. Oh wow, you are so fast. I love those cups.
Let's see what's in the next challenge. Heart. Oh, this is very hard.
That's the hardest.
Yeah. Boxes, also her. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.